Bangladesh is now in the grip of all sorts of pollution like air pollution, soil pollution, and water pollution. The dwellers of the urban areas are the worst sufferers of such pollution. The indiscriminate industrialization process in Bangladesh over the past decades has created significant environmental problems. We will now read about some of the most common types of environmental pollutions and ways of coping with them. Air pollution. Air pollution comes from a wide variety of sources. In Bangladesh, poisonous exhaust from industrial plants, bricks kilns, old or poorly serviced vehicles, and dust from roads and construction sites are some of the major sources of air pollution. We can minimize this type of pollution by making less use of motor vehicles and avoiding the use of vehicles older than 20 years. We may also use proper lubricants to lessen the level of emission and pollutants. We can encourage people to use compressed natural gas (CNG) or liquid petroleum gas (LPG) for fueling their cars. The government may relocate hazardous industries like brick kilns to areas away from human habitats. Water pollution. Water pollution can occur in ocean, rivers, lakes, ponds, and underground reservoirs. As different water sources flow together, the pollution can spread easily and quickly. Causes of water pollution include increased sediment from soil, erosion, improper waste disposal and littering, leakage of soil pollution into water supplies, organic materials that decay in water supplies. In fact, polluting the land means polluting the water. Throwing away a toxic substance on the ground near a water source means to eventually recess the body of water. As a result, the water is polluted. Industrial waste must not be disposed in river or lakes. We need to be more careful about disposing household waste too. Use of pesticides means that when it rains, chemicals used in the lawn or garden wash into the water bodies. Therefore, we must be aware of the danger of using pesticides as they may pollute our rivers, canals, and lakes. Soil pollution. Among the most significant causes of soil pollution is the enormous volume of industrial waste which is being produced every day but not disposed properly. The mismanagement of household wastes, particularly the polythene shopping bag, has caused serious threat to the soil and the drainage system. Another cause for soil pollution is the use of agricultural pesticides, fertilizers, etc. Sometimes fuel leakage from automobiles may get washed away by rain and seep into the nearby soil. Pesticide and fertilizer are useful for plant growth, but their overuse has led to soil pollution. Natural fertilizers and compost can be used instead of their chemical alternatives. Recycling is another way to reduce and control soil pollution. Recycling papers, plastics, and other materials reduce the volume of refuse in landfills. Deforestation also causes erosion, pollution, and the loss of fertility in the topsoil. Planting trees and reforestation helps prevent soil erosion and pollution.